Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for an EIN number online. So an EIN or employer identification number is used to identify a business for tax purposes. So this can be helpful if you're starting a business, opening a business bank account, hiring employees, or handling business tax forms. So to begin, go to the official IRS website and search for Get an Employer Identification Number. And make sure that you are on the IRS Gov because applying for an EIN through the IRS is free. And before you start, keep in mind that the online EIN tool is only available during certain hours in Eastern Time. It is also available Monday to Friday from 6 a.m. to 1 a.m., the next day, Saturday from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m., and Sunday from 6 p.m. to 12 a.m. And once you're on the EIN page, click the option to apply online, and you need to complete the application in one session because the page may expire if you stay inactive for too long. Next, choose the type of business or organization that you are applying for. Then follow the questions on the screen and enter the required details such as the responsible party information, business name, address, and reason for applying. After that, review everything carefully if all the details are correct. Just submit the application. If it is approved, the IRS can give you the EIN right away online, and make sure to save or print the confirmation letter for your records. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.